Okay, so let's take a look at how you can add custom CSS in your WordPress page or post with Beaver Builder. So what we'll do is log into WordPress dashboard, then go to pages and choose the page in which you wish to add custom CSS. Okay, so let me choose sandbox page that I have, and then what I will do is I will simply go to that page editor which opens in Gutenberg, and then click on launch Beaver Builder. Now once it is loaded, what we'll do is on top bar you see tools. Here you have option to add Css and Javascript with layout CSS JavaScript. Simply click on that and you will find a dialog box where you can add custom HTML. So you can simply go with your h2 tag, okay, and add some sort of font family, let's say Arial. That's it. Okay, so once you add that, you can simply save your selection and that will be applied depending on the element on that page. So you get the idea how to add custom CSS by going to your Beaver Builder top menu on left hand side, named tools. In tools you'll find layout CSS and JavaScript, then choose CSS tab, then add your CSS, save it. Okay, that should add CSS into your page or post with Beaver Builder.